Hello everyone. So on the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Aarti welcome you all. Today I'm going to talk about an interesting innovative idea compiled by ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Educational Initiatives. In this video I'm going to talk about an interesting innovative idea called theme-based attendance from New Age Teaching Techniques by the innovative teachers of Uttar Pradesh. The chapter I'll be covering from this idea is Hidden Treasure from NCERT Class 4, Chapter 12. The subject is English and the time duration for the activity is 20 minutes, but also depends on the strength of your class. So the innovation is to use attendance as the medium of learning in the classroom scenario. That is, student need to reply a word from a chapter instead of saying present sir or present ma'am. The concept is to revise the vocabulary, and for this activity teacher needs to inform the student that today we are going to take attendance in a very interesting way. You don't need to say present sir or present ma'am. Instead of, you will reply a word from a chapter and the meaning of the word. For example, if the teacher calls out the roll number 1, the roll number 1 stand up and says a word hard, and then tells the meaning of the hard, that is kathor. Then teacher calls out the roll number 2, and the roll number 2 stand up and says the word working, and the meaning of the working is kaam karna. The process will continue until all the students respond. Then teacher will conclude that student will learn vocabulary from this method. Through this innovation, the student will learn to infer the meaning of unfamiliar words by reading them in the context. They will respond verbally in English, and day-to-day life experiences. They will respond the simple instructions announcement in English made in the classroom. This activity ensures the active participation of the student in the classroom, which is a key aspect of peer learning. The core life skills that can be included are self-awareness, decision-making, and creative thinking. Values that can be touched upon are ability to wait or to continue doing something despite difficulties. And children with special need will learn to choose the words from chapter and replying to their roll call, and that would enhance their memory. And with learning disabilities, they will also understand the meaning of the word. It will also increase the patience level of student with ADHD and autism, as they will have to wait for their turn. It will improve the understanding and response time of children with learning disabilities. For this interesting innovative idea, that's all. I hope you like the video. If you want more interesting videos from us, then please like, share and subscribe our official channel of ZIIEI. You can download our official ZIIEI Innovative Pathshala app from Google Play Store. That's all. Thank you.